Welcome to this tutorial on how to request a book from the UN Library Global Search Catalogue. Whether you're a student, faculty, or a library patron, this step-by-step guide will help you request the book you need. Please follow these instructions carefully to complete the process. Open your web browser and navigate to Global Search. Once signed in, go to the search bar and search, for example, a book on the topic climate change. Click the search button or press Enter. Browse the search results to find the book you want to request. Click on the title or image to view the book details. On the book details page, you can find more information about the book, including its availability and location. If the book is available and you want to request it, click on the button Request Loan. The Request Loan button will only appear if you are signed in with your library account credentials. If you are not signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Sign In. Enter the credentials provided to you by the library. If you don't have an account, simply contact the library to create one. After clicking on the Request Loan button, a form will appear. Enter your comments, if any, then click on the button Send Request. You will receive a confirmation on screen. Your request was successfully placed. Congratulations! You've successfully requested a book from the Global Search Catalogue. You can now wait for an email notification that your book is ready for pickup. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact Ask a Librarian at ask.unog.ch/library.